Hey folks, this is Nicole from Nordic. I am live at HIMSS 2016. I had the pleasure of attending the CHIME CIO Forum today. Lots of interesting speakers and topics, really got folks thinking. Some of the things that were interesting to me was there's a futurist speaking about how there may be things that are technologies or ideas that are inconsequential right now. They may seem silly or even stupid, but then they just permeate every part of an industry, like Uber, Airbnb. You really didn't hear much of those a few years ago. There might be those kinds of things happening in healthcare, so we should be watching and paying attention because you want to get ahead of that because it's an exponential growth, doubling year after year. All of a sudden, something that was small could be big. Something else that was interesting to me was bringing learnings from other industries, especially around predictive analytics. They were talking about how Amazon is not a shipping company or a consumer goods company, it's a data company. And that's really where they're going, and they know more about people than they even think. Before they even know they want to order something, Amazon is predicting what they're going to want to order, shipping it to a center near them to be ready for that. And so how could that apply in healthcare? How could we look at that data not just from what's happening in an EMR or from social media, other areas, and predict before a patient even knows that they're going to need help intervening early rather than waiting for them to react to the system. Another neat idea, one of the speakers came from the gaming industry. He helped improve Caesar's Palace engagement with their clientele and what brought them back, how could you create a repeat customer, and so he was now applying that. He's at Aetna, an insurance company, and saying the same thing for those patients. How can we use those same kind of concepts in healthcare where it's more of a hospitality-based focus versus waiting for, once again, for that consumer to engage with it. So lots of cool ideas, how we could take things from other industries and grow from that. So I'm excited to see what comes out the rest of the week, but there was some great discussion at the CIO Forum today. Have fun.